guys, got a quick review or overview of a 2-in-1, 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set. This is out of China, and there's all the bits it supports there. Some of those I could have used before. Anyway, let's take a look at it. Came in a baggie with a card. I guess it's just to show you what the what's inside the container. It's plastic, which I don't mind considering what I paid for it. It's a hard plastic. The actual screwdriver is made out of metal with a nice turny thingy on the end. Doesn't feel cheap anyway. And then your standard bits. Nothing too special about those. So I'm sure they're fine. It's just a nice little cheap kit. It's magnetized. Wow, I didn't even think it would be magnetized. Cool. Well, if you want something cheap and that's built pretty good for what you pay for it, that's definitely go for it. This is small. I got a number of them. This one's going in my 72-hour bag because it's all in one piece, and you can stick it in your bug-out bag in case you got to do a repair on the road. Later, guys.